Hello, my name is Benito and I Jr. and this is the photo shoots that I have taken for this unit. So the first one will be the close-up photo shoot, and I decided to take a picture of a flower pot that I had outside of my house because I thought it was very appealing to the eye because of its natural colors and it was very modern. So I thought it was a good picture to take a picture of. And the next one is landscape. I decided to take a picture of the front house for my landscape example. I thought it was very neat. You could see the grass. You could see like this everything in general like for landscape. I was gonna do the backyard, but it was kind of it didn't look right, so I chose the front. Okay, the second will be the portrait. I decided to use my cat as an example because um, he was nearby and I thought it was a great idea to use it as my portrait. So here's a good picture that I took a picture of. And a picture that I don't like, I decided to choose soccer ball in the back of my backyard because I don't really hate soccer, but I just don't really like it, so I chose it for a soccer ball as something I don't like. And the last one, something I like is the Xbox controllers. I like hopping on with a few of my friends or buddies that I would play with, and we just have a good time, you know. So I decided to use that as an example of something I like. Well, thank you for listening, and have a great time.